Hello, today I would like to share how isolated power solutions have been evolving. So, why use isolated power in the first place? Isolated power solutions are required to properly bias isolated gate drivers and for powering a digital power solution like C2000 or the UCD3138. A total of 33 components are used, and this is consuming a PCB area of 836 millimeters squared and has a total height of 11.4 millimeters. The advantage of this approach is you can scale this to handle the peak power needed for all of the gate drivers. The disadvantages are that you have a potential single point of systemic failure, and with the IR losses, the gate driver bias may not always be optimal. In 2020, the UCC 25800 open-loop LLC was introduced. Since the LLC is a resonant topology, it is zero-voltage switched, so has a higher efficiency. As you can see, the PCB area is almost cut in half, and the higher operating frequency helps to lower the height down to 10 millimeters. You will also notice the component count is now down to 21 components. The resonant topology helps to improve the power density due to the higher efficiency and operating frequency. It has the same cons as the discrete solution, with one additional point of concern. With an open-loop architecture, the input-to-output relationship is solely based on the turns ratio of the transformer. This means if the input voltage is not well regulated, the output voltage will not be well regulated. In 2021, Texas Instruments introduced the UCC 14240, which is a 2-watt capable isolated power module. The UCC 14240 is a 24-volt input to 24-volt output isolated power supply that allows you to split the output rail. This means it can be configured for a single-ended 24-volt output or a dual -6 to positive 18-volt output. This flexibility makes it easy to properly bias gate drivers for SiC FETs or IGBTs. Among the many pros to this approach are that now we have a very well-regulated output voltage. The CMTI is greater than 150 kV per nanosecond, and the modules is automotive AEC Q100 certified. The only real con is that the output power is thermally limited to a maximum of 2 watts. However, this is enough to locally power gate drivers, which helps to minimize the potential for voltage drops in the power path. As you can see, the total area of the solution size has been reduced from taking a PCB area of 846 millimeters squared down to only 280 millimeters squared. There is also a large reduction in the height of the solution. With the flyback, the total solution height is 11.4 millimeters. The open-loop LLC with the UCC 25800 brings that down to 10 millimeters, but the UCC 14240 drops the height down to only 3.55 millimeters. Also, the total bill of materials component count went from 33 down to 8. Since the release of the first isolated power module, Texas Instruments has been releasing a variety of options to support different input and output voltage requirements. All current options are available with both basic or reinforced isolation. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye for now.